Well students, let us solve the exercise 10.3. Your first main is find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are given. So this is the measurement of the first side, that is 3 centimeter, and this is the measurement of second side, that is 4 centimeter. And to find the area of any rectangle we need measurements of two sides. So it is given here, then it is very easy for us to write. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth, or else product of length and breadth. So 3 and 4, so just multiply them. 3 times of 4 is 12, and centimeter has been multiplied twice here, so that is why it is 12 square centimeter. Area of this first rectangle is how much? 12 square centimeter. Did you understand how we have arrived at this answer? It's very simple. Just multiply these two measurements, that is 3 times of 4 is 12, and centimeter is multiplied twice here, so that is why it is square centimeter. Let's move on to the B question of the first main. So here the measurements of the second rectangle is 12 meter and 21 meter, and again just use the same formula, that is area equals length into breadth. So just multiply these two. 12 times of 21 is 252, and meter is multiplied twice here, so that is why it is 252 square meter. And it is the C question of the first main, and it is 2 kilometer. Measurement of the first rectangle is 2 kilometer, and measurement of the second measurement of the rectangle is 3 kilometer. And when you multiply these two measurements, and you will get the area of this rectangle, that is 2 times of 3 will be 6, and kilometer is multiplied twice, so that's why it is 6 square kilometer. And this is the question D of the first main. 2 meter and 70 centimeter are the two measurements of fourth rectangle. So just observe here, first measurement is in meter and second measurement is in centimeter. If the measurements are different like this, we cannot multiply. So actually you have two options. One is convert this 70 centimeter to the meter, or else convert this meter to centimeter. Choice is yours, but I am going to convert this 2 meter to centimeter. So 1 meter 100 centimeter, for 2 meter it is 200 centimeter. So this is the length now, and 70 centimeter we have taken as it is. So when you multiply 270, you will get 14,000 square centimeter. So this is the area of the question D of the first main. Let's move on to the second main, that is find the areas of the squares whose sides are given here. So this is the side of the first square, it is 10 centimeter, and for finding the area of the square we need only one measurement, and the formula is side into side. So that is why 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 10 times of 10 will be 100, and centimeter is multiplied twice, so that's why it is 100 square centimeter. So this is the answer of first question. Let's move on to the question B. It is 14 centimeter. Again formula is same, that is area equals side into side. So 14 times of 14 will be 196, it is square centimeter. And it is question C, 5 meter. So area equals side into side, so 5 times of 5 will be 25, so that it is 25 square meter. Let's move on to the third main, that is the length and breadth of three rectangles are given below. So length and breadth of the first rectangle is given here, length and breadth of the second rectangle is given here, and length and breadth of the third rectangle is given here. So let us find out the area of the first rectangle, that is 9 meter and 6 meter. So 9 times of 6 will be 54, it is square meter. So this is the area of the first rectangle. Let's move on to the area of the second rectangle, that is 17 meter and 3 meter. So when you multiply 17 times of 3, then you will get 51 square meter as the area of second rectangle. And the measurements of the third rectangle are like this, that is 4 meter and 14 meter, and when you multiply 4 and 14, it will be 56 square meter. And just observe here, this is the area of the first rectangle, and this is the area of the second rectangle, and this is the area of the third rectangle. And when you compare all these rectangles, areas of all these rectangles, you will come to know that the rectangle C has the largest area and the rectangle B has the smallest area, right? So this is the rectangle with highest area, I mean largest area, and this is the rectangle with least area. Let's move on to the next main. The next main is the area of the rectangle garden is 50 meter long, is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. See here, the area of the rectangular garden is 300 square centimeter. Look at the unit, and its length is 50 meter. So there is a rectangular garden and its area is 300 square meter and its length is 50 meter. So length is 50 meter, area is 300 square meter. We need to find out the width of the garden. Width, breadth, both are same. Well, area equals length into breadth. Area is clearly given, that is 300 square centimeter. So just write here square meter. Length is 50 meter. Breadth is not given, width is not given, that's why right here. And so these are the two things which are known to us, 50 and 300. So that's why bring this 50 to the same side of the known thing. So when you bring this 50, when you transpose this 50 from right hand side to the left hand side, it will go below the 300. So it is 300 divided by 50, and breadth will remain in the on the same side, that is right hand side. And when you divide 300 by 50, your answer would be how much? 6 meter, because this 0 will get cancelled and only 30 divided by 5 will remain, and when you divide 30 by 5, your answer will be 6. So that is what breadth. So breadth or width of the rectangular garden is 6 meter. So this is how we write the answer here. Let's move on to the next question. Your next question is, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? So just little while ago we solved same kind of problem. So here it is rectangular plot and its length is 500 meter and its width or breadth is 200 meter, and we need to find out the cost of tiling. So cost of tiling is nothing but arranging the tiles inside the area of this rectangular plot. So for this we need to find out the area of this rectangular plot. So that is area of the plot equals length into breadth. Length is 500 meter, breadth is 200 meter. When you multiply 500 and 200, your product will be how much? 1 lakh square centimeter. So this is the area of the rectangular plot. Now we are going to find out the cost of tiling of this rectangular plot at the rate of 8 rupees per 100 square meter. So this is the rate and this is the area of the rectangular plot. And see here, because of this word, if the question was only 8 rupees per square centimeter, then we wouldn't have divided this product by 100. But it is 8 rupee per 100, so that we have to divide this product by 100. Well, so just two zeros will be cancelled. So what will remain? 1000 will remain. See here, 1000 will remain. 1000 and 8 will remain. So 8 and 1000. So 8000 it is. So this is the cost of tiling of this rectangular plot. Let's move on to the next main. Your next main is a tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter, 50 centimeter, and what is the area in square meter? See here, this is the tabletop and its length is 2 meter. See here, length is 2 meter. From this edge to this edge it is 2 meter. This is the length of this tabletop, and breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. So this is the breadth of the tabletop, but it is given in this format, that is 1 meter 50 centimeter. So here length is in standard unit, but your breadth is not in standard unit. So that is why you have to bring both the measurements to the same unit. So I am going to bring this 1 meter 50 centimeter to the unit of meter. So that is why when you convert 1 meter 50 centimeter to the meter, it will be 1.5 meter. So that length is 2 meter and breadth is 1.5 meter. So just to look at the area here, area equals length times of breadth. Length is 2 meter and breadth is, just now I said, it is 1.5, and when you multiply 2 and 1.5, your product would be 3.0, that is nothing but 3. So this is the area of the tabletop.